At the eve of the end, the demon of Hatzoatl has finally come for me. Let's see how you handle this. I can't give up. I must save my people.
You know why we're here! It happened! It cannot be stopped!
No, I will succeed.
Fury!
Inconceivable. You will pay for this.